Okay, I'm going to show how to make clip-ons to put on your back 2 or 3 teeth, usually. I had polymorph. So polymorph is a plastic. You heat it up in hot water. You need about this amount, right? So this is roughly the amount that you need. And you wait until it's kind of a little bit hard, but not too hard. So you need to press this on your back lower teeth. You do one side first. And then after you make one side, then you can make the other side. And so I'm just waiting for this to get a little bit harder. And the point of this is these, I would only wear them for a couple weeks. And don't wear them when you eat because polymorph gets dirty and discolored very quickly. So you can take them off. Like I call them clip-ons because they're very easy to just pop onto your teeth and pop back off. And it doesn't stick to your teeth or anything. So the idea is that you keep it flat on top so that your upper teeth make contact with a flat surface and therefore it doesn't lock your jaw position, right? And the reason that this is better than a lower splint is that a lower splint is expensive to make and you need a dental lab. So you can only make it once in a while. And therefore a lower splint is locking your lower teeth into a specific position for as long as you wear it. Whereas with these things, your lower jaw is going to expand, the teeth are going to move. They're going to move a little bit even when you're wearing them. But then when you make a new one in 2 weeks, you continue to allow the lower jaw to expand, and when you allow the lower teeth to move, that allows the tissue to stretch as well. So this is actually better than wearing a lower splint. Okay? Now I'm going to show you how I put it in my mouth. So I go like this. And I'm gonna take it out for now, which you shouldn't do. You should let it dry in your mouth, right? Because then if you take it out and it's still soft, it already starts changing position and it won't fit on your teeth as well. So you should actually let this dry in your mouth. And when it's done, it'll harden and you can just wear it and then you can go and make the other side. But as you can see, like it fits over the teeth, and then the other side is relatively flat, and that's how you do it.